Welcome back to the Red and Black Barbecue Shack, guys. Today we're going to be cooking up some beef in brown gravy over some rice. Let's get started. So first things first, we got our meat rub down here. We got some beautiful Angus shoulder steaks here, some chuck, and we got them seasoned up with some of this Kinder's buttery steakhouse seasoning. This stuff's the shit. I use it on a bunch of different stuff. Almost every time I'm cooking beef, especially here lately, that's been my go-to rub. Not a sponsor, but could be. Wink, wink. And we're letting our barbecue pit heat up right now. All right, we got the Traeger cranking at 225. We got the hopper full of some hardwood pellets. I had a couple different bags laying around that I had to use, so it's not our usual blend in there, but we'll be all right. And we got the meat on the pit. We got these chuck steaks on here. Probably gonna let those rock for like an hour and a half. We'll check back on them in a little bit. It's been a little bit over an hour. These steaks got some good color on them, and we are gonna let our Dutch oven here get up to temp. And in about 15 minutes, we are gonna throw those in the pot. Alright y'all, so in our Dutch oven, we got a box of beef broth, a brown gravy packet, an au jus gravy packet, and about half a stick of butter. Looking great. We're gonna let that rock for probably 3 or 4 hours till that beef shreds. Alright guys, it's been about 4.5 hours, and that beef is falling apart, so we're going to take it inside and shred it. This beef is shredded and that rice is cooking. Well, there y'all have it. That's how I made some shredded beef in brown gravy over some white rice. I can't wait to dig in. This smells incredible. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Deuces.